Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing 3 products for you guys. One of them I did tell you that I was going to review soon. That was in my last video in my haul. If you haven't watched my haul and you're really into hauls, make sure you go ahead and check the cards, and that way you can see that video. But yeah, I'm pretty much getting ready for work, and I was going to use the products that I wanted to review. So I said, hey, why not kill 2 birds with 1 stone? Let's film and I can get ready for work and all that good jazz. So right now it's 7:30. I have about half hour to get ready. So I'm going to kind of move really quick to this. So if you guys want to see the products that I'm going to review, then make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. So we're going to start with eyes first, and then I'll focus on the skin, because I really do want to focus on, like, really focus on the skin. So I told you guys that I was going to review the Blood Sugar palette. This is from Jeffree Star. I've been playing with this. If you follow me on Instagram, there are some looks that I posted on there that I've used this palette. So I said, you know what, let's I've been doing like crazy fun looks, so there are a lot of neutrals in this palette, so I want to kind of create something simple, neutral, and show that you guys can actually use this in a everyday situation. So I need my eye base, and we're going to do that. My face is already prime prepped and brows are done. I need to waste as little. So I've been using it for quite some time, and I actually really do like the palette. It does have a lot of fun colors, like a lot of different pinks. You have some different shades of red, some different shades of purple. So you wouldn't really think of it as a palette to go to for an everyday type like situation. But there are some really good neutrals that you can use for an everyday purpose. So this is what the palette looks like. All of these shades here are like just neutrals. I mean, that's a white, but these shades here are neutrals. You have this rosy shade here. You can't really tell because of the lighting, but that's one. And then if you really wanted to kind of deep out the outer corner or the crease, you have this beautiful rich chocolate brown. So I'm not going to do anything like over the top. I'm just going to really I'm just going to do something that is suitable for work. I need my coffee. Go in with that rosy type of shade, and we're going to let's put this all over the eyes, all over the lid. I don't know why I use a blending brush for this, but whatever. I'm gonna put this all over the lids. But the palette is really beautiful. Just like all his other palettes, the pigmentation is great. I would definitely say start with a little bit and then build your way up. You don't want to go ahead too heavy-handed in the beginning with these colors. Also, they blend so well. I have the other 2 palettes from Jeffree Star, and I love them. They're really great. Alright, so I'm going to go take the shade here. This is Cake Mix, this one. I'm going to put that in the crease to define it a little bit. The first shade I took was called Tongue Pop. So I'm just going to use that and pop that right into the crease. Take the shade Ouch, which is this shade here, and I'm gonna put that into the outer corner and the crease, but I'm gonna just literally, a little goes a long way, you guys. And a little bit. Tap off that excess. The shade is Sweetener, and that's this beautiful gold shade there. Just dip my finger in the red. So I'm going to take that just a little bit. And we're going to pop it right here in the corner to the lid, center lid. Now that the eyes are semi-done, because I am going to put some, what's that called? Eyeshadow on the lower lid. I'm going to move on to the face first. And I'm going to move on to the face, yeah. I am using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This is set to last up to 24 hours. Everyone's been talking about this and raving about this. And every time I go to my local drugstore or Walmart or Target, I can never find my shade. So finally, I went to Target and I found my summer shade, which is Sun Beige. It's 310. I'm usually a shade lighter, not a shade or two, but like a shade lighter. I'm usually like natural beige, which is like a shade lighter, but they were all sold out. So sorry you guys, I need my coffee. So I was just like, you know what, I've been wanting to try this foundation. It's not gonna hurt to get a shade darker. I can just fix it with concealer. So that's what I got, and we're gonna use it today. And I'm gonna be applying it with this guy here. I found a new sponge. If you guys follow Nikki tutorials, then you know she has a sponge like this that someone sent her, and she don't know where it came from. And I've been trying to find a sponge like this, something that's similar to hers. So I did try it before. I have the dirty one in the back. This is from Sonia Kashuk. It's their teardrop sponge. You can get it in Target. It comes in a 2-pack for $6, which is not bad. That's $3 a sponge. And I usually spend more than that, so it's pretty good. It's a pretty good price. So we're going to try this again and see how it does. When I tried it the first time, I kind of was just like, how the heck can I like I felt like it was really difficult to blend under the eyes. Like for the face and applying like setting powder, it was amazing, but under the eyes it was a little difficult. So I just have my beauty blender. Well, it's not even an actual beauty blender. I don't think this is the one. No, it's not even an actual beauty blender. I got this from Amazon. You guys want to know, it comes in like a 6-pack. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to purchase it. But yeah, so we're gonna just do that. We're gonna go ahead because I'm just talking too much and I have to hurry up. So I take like a pump and a half. Sit right there. And we're going to just dab the sponge in there. And you guys are gonna see what I mean by like a shade darker. So I'm gonna start like mainly right here in my face, just because I have some scarring there and a little bit of acne. As you guys see, it's a little, it's like tan. So I just bring it down my neck a bit. And we're gonna do a wear test. I do have to go to work, so I'm wearing this to work. And then I'll let you guys know. Did it last long? I work 8 hours in a day. And then when I come home, I'm like cooking and doing stuff for my son, so I don't really just take off my makeup right away. I don't even think I needed to bring it down my neck, just because my sweater, it's like a turtleneck. So I'm gonna get makeup on it. I like the sponge, it blends beautifully, but My only thing is it's so big. That's one. And two, it's kind of hard to work with. It's hard to work with without getting foundation on yourself, because it's like the way you have to hold it. Oh, my son's father's texting me. The way you have to hold it, it's like you end up having to hold it like this, so you're gonna get foundation on your fingers. So that's the only thing, but it does press the product into the skin, so that's good. Okay, so foundation is done. The light, oh, the sun. Okay, you guys. Alright, so we're good with that. I'm going to try to hide away from the sun because it's just throwing off a glare. Alright, we're going to go in with concealer, and we're going to cream contour, and then I'm going to set my face. And I'm going to use my beauty blender for this because, as I told you, like, even though it's like it can get in there, but I feel like being that this is more so of a teardrop, it really could get in the corners and stuff. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender. Well, beauty sponge, faux beauty blender, whatever. Again. What? And then take that powder. And just press. Okay, you guys. Woo. Okay, you guys, so my makeup is pretty much done. I will give you guys my full final thoughts on everything once I come back from work. So I will let you guys know if the foundation does last long, how my application looks. I mean, the palette, I already know how I feel about it. I really do love the palette. It's very versatile, and I definitely tested it to tell you that, you know, you can do just a simple, natural, you know, daytime look with this. So obviously that works. And the sponge, I feel like I just have to kind of keep getting used to it to get, like, you know, using it and learning how to use with it a lot more. But yeah, as far as the foundation, we're gonna do the wear test, and then I will come back and let you guys know. So until that, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys, I am back. It is 5:46 right now. I had this makeup on since 7:30, so 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. So 10 hours pretty much I've had this makeup on, and even though, like, looking face forward, it does look good. I am very oily in my forehead area, but that is kind of normal for me. But the only thing that I do not like, and I don't know if you guys can see this, I don't know if you guys can, but this area right here, the foundation actually kind of came off. You can see it a lot on this side. Like, there's no foundation here. Over here, like, I see a patch of foundation here, but everything else is off. Okay, so tell me if you guys can see it. I don't think you guys can because of the lighting, but here in this area there's no foundation. Like, this is the contour. It has some foundation here, but I barely have foundation here. I have like a patch right here in this area. So 24 hours. I highly doubt that it's 24 hours. It is full coverage and everything like that, and it does look beautiful on the skin, but it definitely is not something that will last 10 hours. So, on that note, is it a good foundation? Yes. Is it full coverage? Yes. Does it look great on the skin? Yes. Does it last 24 hours? No. I highly doubt it will last you 24 hours. But I do like it. I like the finish of it and everything. I just wouldn't use this, like, for instance, like a day like this where I'm going to have makeup on for a long period of time. I'll probably just use it on days where I'm just going to have makeup on for just a couple hours. Okay. Liam! Okay, so on that note, you guys, I'm going to end this video. If you guys enjoyed... You want to say hi? If you say hi. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hey, shh. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
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 Go ahead, say bye. Bye. Ew.